Are you a woman, 40 and over? Are you struggling with your hormones and try to balance them out? Well, I got the solution for you. I'm gonna show you a meal prep that's gonna take you through all the meals that I personally take to balance out my hormones. The first thing that I do when I wake up in the morning is I make myself a green juice. This juice contains celery, which celery supports your heart health, digestive system, and it's an anti-inflammatory. Then I add cucumber, which is great for hydration, it has fiber, which is great for your gut, has vitamin K to keep your bones healthy. I also add kale, which has powerful antioxidants. It includes beta-carotene and vitamin C, as well as various flavonoids to help get rid of stored toxins and prevent diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Waking up to a green juice in the morning is very refreshing. It also doesn't spike up your insulin, and it truly does heal your gut, and it reduces any type of inflammation you may have inside your body. For lunch, I'm having 2 boiled eggs and avocado, which is a powerful combination. You're getting protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you full and promote the synthesis of stress-reducing hormones. For snack, I'm having a Greek yogurt. I'm having some blueberries, which are incredible antioxidants packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential to your immune system. I'm also adding some pomegranate seeds in there, which are excellent for hormone balancing. Chia seeds have omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which helps lower blood pressure and helps reduce heart disease. This is a very healthy snack that is very refreshing to have in the middle of the day as a snack, and you will absolutely love it. For dinner, I'm having salmon, baked salmon in the oven, cauliflower rice, and asparagus. The first thing that I do, I get a 5-ounce salmon. I'm gonna go ahead and saute the salmon with some Dijon mustard, soy sauce, sesame seeds, and I add some garlic powder, onion powder, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm doing that, I am sauteing some cauliflower rice, which is amazing. It contains fiber, vitamin B, has antioxidants and phytonutrients that protect against cancer. It also detoxifies estrogen hormone. With the cauliflower, I add a little bit of coconut oil and I saute it with some garlic. Then I'm gonna go ahead and bake asparagus in the oven. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and saute it with some olive oil and fresh minced garlic. I'm gonna brush it and I'm gonna add it into the oven for about 10 minutes. I hope you truly enjoyed the meal prep that I just did for you that shows amazing foods that are gonna help you balance out your hormones. I would love to hear from you though. Tell me in the comments below, which one did you like? Was it the egg and avocado? Was it the yogurt? Or was it the salmon with the asparagus and the cauliflower? I would love to hear your feedback. If you like my content and you love this, because I'm planning on doing a lot more for you, click and subscribe to my channel.